Ballistic versus cruise missiles. They might look similar, but one goes to space and the other flies like a plane. So what's the real difference? And why do militaries use both? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. First, ballistic missiles. These are essentially rockets. When launched, they shoot straight up into the sky, sometimes even reaching space. After the boost phase, where the rocket engines fire, the missile enters what's called a mid-course phase. During this time, it travels in a curved path, just like a ball thrown into the air. This is where the name ballistic comes from. At the highest point of its trajectory, the missile may be hundreds or even thousands of kilometers above the Earth. Then, gravity takes over. It begins to fall back down toward its target at extremely high speeds. In fact, many ballistic missiles travel at hypersonic speeds, more than 5 times the speed of sound. Because of this incredible speed, intercepting a ballistic missile is extremely difficult. Even advanced defense systems have only seconds to react. These missiles are often used for long-range attacks, including intercontinental distances. Some can travel from one side of the planet to the other in under an hour. Now, let's talk about cruise missiles. Unlike ballistic missiles, cruise missiles do not leave the atmosphere. Instead of shooting up into space, they fly low, often just a few hundred meters above the ground. And they don't rely on rocket propulsion the entire time. Most cruise missiles use jet engines, just like airplanes. This allows them to travel long distances while staying close to the terrain. They can follow mountains, rivers, and landscapes, making them harder to detect by radar. Some cruise missiles even use GPS and advanced guidance systems to navigate precisely to their target. One of the biggest advantages of cruise missiles is their accuracy. They can hit specific buildings, vehicles, or targets with incredible precision. And because they fly low and can change direction mid-flight, they are much harder to track compared to ballistic missiles. So if we compare the two, the difference becomes very clear. Ballistic missiles go up high, travel fast, and come down with immense force. Cruise missiles stay low, move more slowly, but are highly controlled and precise. Think of it this way. A ballistic missile is like throwing a rock from a great height. It follows a path and falls down with massive speed. A cruise missile, on the other hand, is like a pilot flying an aircraft toward a target, adjusting direction along the way. Both systems are powerful, but they serve different purposes. Ballistic missiles are used when speed and long-range impact are critical. Cruise missiles are used when precision and stealth matter more. Modern militaries often use both together. A ballistic missile can overwhelm defenses with speed, while cruise missiles can slip through gaps and strike precise targets. This combination makes them highly effective in different scenarios. In the future, these technologies are evolving even further. Hypersonic glide vehicles, advanced guidance systems, and AI-based navigation are making missiles faster, smarter, and harder to stop than ever before. And that's the real difference between ballistic and cruise missiles.